Hello, and welcome to Timmy Review Stuff. Today, we'll be taking a look at this galaxy alien slime. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the alien slime, and let's just open this. Alright, okay. Look at it jiggle. Look at that slime jiggle. It's taking a while to get it out. See here, look at this. Look at how the slime feels. It feels wet. See, here's the alien. Here's the alien. Now it's just. Alright, let's see if we can put this back into. Come on. Here. In there. This is all of this. There we have it. There is the alien going. This alien slime. Now to put this in a special place. There we go.
Ooh, slime. I better get this.
Thank you for watching Timmy Review Stuff. Tune in next time when I review I don't know. Okay, goodbye.
Hey there! Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more Plush World videos in the future. Well, this is Beaver Duck signing off.